What is up everyone, JFLORES here for the vlog, and today I'm gonna teach you how to cook a chicken adobo with gata with egg. Let's go. Intro. Before we start, I do want to remind everyone that napaka-giveaway, so please join. I'm just waiting for some more participants o sa akong mag-draw. And then, please never forget to subscribe, ring that bell, give this video a thumbs up. Ikahuman if you like it. If not, I thumbs up. So this recipe I got way back sa restaurant where I work. There was this one guy, also a chef, nga he made this adobo. And then I was like, this is really good. What did you put? And siya, nakanay gata chef, pero adobo gapon na siya. I was like, so I tried it, and then it turned out really well. And then this time I will share it to you guys. And by the way, this time dili lang ako mag voice over, so expect there's gonna be a lot of text or subtitles kunuhay sa akong vlog or throughout the video, throughout the tutorial. So without further ado, game. So that is it for the vlog, everyone. I hope you had fun. I hope you will try it at home. I hope nalingaw ra mo. And I hope, if you've noticed, bago na sa background. So yeah, I hope this is better. I'm just looking at a cleaner version for the backdrop. Pero limpyo ba? With just Iron Man and Hulk right beside me. Going back sa food, there were really gamay educated ingredients, so I think you can find that at your home, in your place. Feel free to try it. It's really good. We had it for dinner. They loved it. So might as well you guys should try it too, alright? Again, never forget to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up because I know nalingaw mo to, and I'm assuring you nga nami gining recipe. Okay? God bless. Peace!